why we can protect animals, wild animals. Can you give me the reason why we protect animals?
To protect them for our next generation
Protect them for our generation.
and for our to protect our ecological system as well. Because if it kills some kind of wildlife, it may destroy the system of the forest.
Yep,
So
I think.
if you affect our life as well, you know what I mean?
Yes.
Yes. That's why we have to protect wild animals.
Okay, very good. Okay. I think that's all for today. Okay, thank you very much for your attention. Now it's your turn that you have to give some feedback for me. Okay, I have to show you about how to teach reading. Okay. There are many kinds of technique that we use in teaching reading, but I just show you some activities that we can use in reading. Okay. I think that we have 4 more days. We have to put the idea together, okay, how to and learn together about how to use some technique in teaching. Okay. I have heard that some of you have been to overseas. Okay. Maybe you have good activity that you enjoy in this class. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Please give me some